This is Juan Surya, and this is the final project for my CSC 300 class. Um, for this assignment, we were asked to create basically a social media platform called Torobook, and we had to use graphic interface. So I'll go ahead and run my program. As you can see, this is the graphic user interface window. I had already created a profile, so I'll go ahead and sign in one of the profiles that I had created, and I'll go ahead and sign in. Okay, so this is the profile. This is the picture. Unfortunately, there should be a post window right here, but because of the time, I wasn't able to finish my program. Um, this is my friend. This is one of my friends. If I select here, I can if I select here on the picture, I can actually change the picture if I want to do it. If I want to do it, I'll go ahead and log out. I'll go ahead and create another account. Um, so we were asked that if a person cannot come up with their own username, the program should make a username for that person using their last name. So if my last name is uh, Mencia and I try to sign up, it should give me 2 tries, and after the second try I should get a random generator username. As you can see, the username will be Mencia, but I'll go ahead and create another one, a shorter one. So I'll go ahead and name it Lucky. It's the name of my dog. Lucky Surya. And go ahead and create a password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then sign up. I'll go ahead and sign in. 2, 3, 4, 5. Sign in. And that's the profile right there. I'll go ahead and upload a picture. I'll go ahead and use this one right here. And then I can search for friends. These are the other 2 profiles. I'll go ahead and add the friend. Now on my star, that's the friend that I just added. And I can also go ahead and add the other person. There we go. Go ahead and add the friend, and the other person should be here as well. Okay, this is basically how my program works. This panel right here is the only one that doesn't have any functionality because of the time I wasn't able to finish my code, but then everything else has a specific functionality. If I want to log out, I can just press the X and close the program, or I can just click on log out. Also, if I try to sign in using a wrong password, I will get a message saying that either the username or the password is wrong. And I'll go ahead and close the window. This right here are the images for the profiles that I had created. Those are the profile pictures. I'll go ahead and go back to my main Java code right here. Here's my code. Nothing much going on here. I got my front profile controller. Here's more of my code. Here's the search controller, session controller. We have a few loops right here, while statements. The user. This is basically what is behind. Here's the code for the username, the last name, when we had to create a profile. This is basically what is under or behind the graphic interface that we just saw a few minutes ago. Here's everything that goes behind the graphic user interface. This is the code that makes everything happen. The profile, the main menu. I'll go ahead and run my program again. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.